welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we will replace the key for Nissan. Pretty much all the Nissans have the same key, so the steps you would see would be the same for any make or models of Nissan cars. Does not matter if they are new or if they are old. So the very first step is we take out the key itself. You just lift this edge up. Now, I'm holding a very thin screwdriver and I'll be trying to make room on these two holes. So you see what I did? I'll just do it one more time. So I did place it inside this tiny slot and I am going to turn my screwdriver. And there it makes a space right there. So I'm going to utilize that space and I'll keep holding it with these two fingers here, and in the meantime I'll try to push it from the space I just created. Enough on one side. Now I will try to do the same on the other. Since we have enough space on both ends, so I can just slightly pull it. There you go, we took out the two pieces. Now this battery is dead, so I'm going to replace it with the one that works. I'm using the same thin screwdriver. And there I put the good one. So keeping in mind the curved edge should come on top of this slot. You would notice there's a metal piece right there, so we would slide it in first so that it can grab it, you see. Now I will try to put the other end of it together, keeping in mind there is a metal rod type thing inside and there's a slot to it. So just make sure you slot it in the right corner. Now you will notice the buttons might come off, and in my case they did, so I am just going to do it from the other end. Once you have made sure the edges are good, so what you do is that you slightly push both sides against each other. Yeah, it looks good. And now I can also just slot in the key. So that was it. Hope you learned something new today. If this video helps you in any way, I request you to please kindly subscribe, like this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment section. In the meantime, I'll catch you in the next video.